Midterm exam solution question number 6 of competition. What is the last digit of 8 to the power of 100 plus 9 to the power of 200? So basically it's a cycling problem, right? We learned in the class. And 8 to the power 1, we know that is 8, and 8 squared equals to, the last digit of that equals to 8 times by 8. We know that is 64, so the last digit is 4. And then 8 cubed. That means the last digit you do 4 times by 8, and that equals to 2, right? 4 times by 8, you got 32, and last digit will be 2. We'll only focus on the last digit. And the 8 to the power 4, that means 2 times by 1 more 8. 2 times by 8, you got 16, and the last digit will be 6. And let's do one more, 8 to the power 5, and you'll see that 6 times by 8, you got 48. And you go back to 8 again. And that's a cycle here. So every 4 numbers, you got a full cycle. And then we are looking for the 8 to the power of 100. So you just use 100 to divide by how many numbers do we have in the cycle? That will be 4 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll have 25 complete cycles. That means the last digit of 8 to the power of 100 is just the last number of that cycle, right? Of the 25th cycle. So we know the last digit of 8 to the power of 100 is 6. And now let's focus on this this is 9 to the power of 200. So basically, as for 9 to the power of 1, you got a 9. 9 to the power of 2, basically 9 times by 9, you got 81. The last digit is 1. And 9 to the power of 3 equals to 1 times by 9, right? The last digit is 9. And 9 to the power of 4 is 9 times by 9, you got 81. Last digit is 1. So actually, this one is much easier to find a pattern. If you got the power, which is an odd number, then the last digit will be 9. But if you got the power, which is an even number, let's say 2 and 4, the last digit will be 1. And now let's see, this 9 to the power 200, 200 is an even number. That means the last digit of this 9 to the power of 200 is just a 1. And then we can get a final answer to the question. What is the last digit of 8 to the power of 100? We know that is 6. What's the last digit of 9 to the power of 200? We know that is 1. If you add that together, the last digit will be 6 plus 1, you got 7. So the answer is 7 to the question.